How to toggle on or off video you may like notifications on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up the Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar and type TikTok. Now once you're done, simply tap on search. Now tap on TikTok and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile. Again, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now under content and display, you will find an option for notifications. Now simply tap on it. Now scroll down. Now under post suggestions, disable the toggle for posts you might like. If you want to enable it, simply enable the toggle and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.